Okay, I welcome you guys. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the market structure and how to know whether the market is buying or it is selling, and how to know what to enter, either you are to buy or you are to sell the market. So I want you to watch to them because I'm going to understand this video. So um in forex trading we have three chart patterns, like three market structure, which we have the down trade, we have the down trade, which is what we have now, which is what we're seeing now. Sorry, we have the down trade, which is what we're seeing now. Okay, then we have the uptrend, which is what we're seeing here right now. Okay, and lastly we have the ranging market, with which is this, the ranging market. So understanding this market structure is very important, because it's going to help you to decide whether to buy or to sell the market. So I'm going to teach you some strategy that will help you understand which one to trade. So for this, let me clear my chart first. Okay, delete. Oh, let me go back. Delete. Okay, so for this is a down trade. You know why? Because it's going down. Starting from here, and it's going down to down direction. So for this market, we call it a selling market. It is currently selling. The price is reducing from the top down to the bottom. So for this market, we call it a selling market. Then for a market like this, you can see we call it the uptrend. And for a market like this, it is called the buying. The price is currently buying. So at this point, you can see this market structure. While for the ranging market, you can see nothing's going on, is just moving sideways, up and down. For a market like this, is mostly dangerous for beginners to trade. So what do you do as a beginner when you meet a market that is either the down trade, or there's either the down trade or the up there's either the down trade or the up trade. So in the market, we do just two things to make money: we either buy or we sell. So the trend direction will determine the kind of trade you want to place, either you buy or you sell. Remember, the down trade is a selling market, while the uptrend is a buying market. So remember, for forex trading, you buy low, then you sell high. So this is low and this is high, the low and high. Yeah, so you buy low and you sell high. So for a market like this, you will want to buy at this spot, because you believe you are buying it at a very cheap price, because you believe that later, probably before tomorrow or tomorrow, it will increase. Okay, then for a market, you believe that it will soon sell, then which means that the price will drop from this point to this point, which is high. So you sell high because you believe that before tomorrow the market will drop. So this is how you determine if you are to buy or you are to sell in a market like this. And mind you, what forex traders do is that, imagine they are in a situation like this now, and probably after the analysis and strategy, they believe the market is going to come up after coming down. So what they do is that they do the analysis and buy at this spot. So at the end of the day, when the market goes up, they make their profit and withdraw at somewhere at this spot. Okay, so that is what the forex traders do. While in a market like this that has gone up and probably you are at this spot, you are doing your analysis at this spot, you buy at this point because you believe that probably tomorrow or before tomorrow market is going to reduce to this point. So with that, when you buy low, you make profit when the price increases. Then when you sell high, you make profit when the price falls. So that is what they usually do. So I'm going to teach you some analysis that will tell you when the price is going to drop and when the price is going to drop and when the price is going to rise. That's what I will be doing in my next tutorial. And that's why you have to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. So that is just what you have to know. Remember, time frames also matter a lot. The time frame I'm on the 1 week time frame. You can go to the 1 hour time and you see that the chart will change. Okay, the chart will change. That what professional forex traders do is that they don't make the analysis in the higher time frame. They go to the lower time frame, probably 5 minutes, to enter their trade, which is more visible. So you can see charts like this. Major chart patterns in the forex market is the uptrend. We call it the uptrend, and for this, let me look for a downtrend. Okay, you can see a downtrend, that this is a downtrend. So that is what we usually do in forex trading. Once you can understand the market structure, the direction the market is going to, you can make profit and make a lot of money from it. So that is what they usually do. First of all, understand the market structure, then do your analysis. So I'll be teaching you some analysis from strategies that will help you determine the next direction of the market. Thank you.